Hi, my name is Alex Cecilio, and I'm going to show you how to lay out documents in Illustrator. So you're going to go to Illustrator, and you're going to go to File, New. And so if you have CS5, you're going to want to pay close attention to this part because not all the versions are like this. So instead of having different pages, you're going to have a certain number of artboards. And this just means that when it's laid out on the screen, there's going to be a certain number of documents laid out in a certain fashion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out four artboards. And this little, these little buttons right here are going to tell you what order that they're in. So like when they print, for example, what order they're going to be coming in. So I'm going to choose, let's see, let's do grid by row. And then you can pick how much your spacing is, how far apart they are. I'm actually going to choose, let's do 40. And you can choose what size. I'm going to do 640 by 480. And that looks good. And oh yeah, and if you're really picky about your resolution, I'd suggest doing 300. Say okay. And so then it's going to lay out your artboard for you, your 4 artboards, in the way that you asked it to. And then from there, it's kind of cool because then this is good for if you're doing a storyboard or if you're doing a graphic novel or some kind of zine. It's perfectly ideal for that. And then that's when you can start, making your stuff. And then when it prints, it'll print in that order. And then when you zoom out, you can see it all in one sitting instead of having to go from page to page to page. And there you have it. My name is Alex, and this is how you lay out documents in Illustrator. Thank you.